Hi guys, today we're unboxing LOL Surprise Swap Ball. Let's check it out. I wonder what's gonna be inside. Sweet or sour? Oh, there's a mystery box. Let's check it out. It's the instruction. It says to open. It says to open that we need to put water. Next, we can change the doll. See? It looks good. Instructions, and we need to open this up. Oh wow! Okay, let's see what is inside here. Okay, there is some clothes. Let's check the other one. This one is a beautiful dress. The big one is wow! It's adorable. There is one more. There is a cute headband that matches in the clothes. Wait, there's one more. And this ball, this tiny thing is the shoes. We got Miss Bose. Now let's dress up Miss Bose. Okay, let's put it in. Now let's put the headband.
Change.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, and game.
This is how she looked like when she eat a lollipop. And this is how she looks like when she eat a lemon, because it's sour and lollipop or sweet. If you want to change the head, you can change the head with this. This is how it looked like when you swap the face. Until next time, on my next LOL surprise ball.